Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today these has got to be two of the baddest watch faces in the Gear Manager store. You do not want to miss this video. Stay tuned, because here it comes. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, yes, I did tell you I got two of the baddest watch faces in the Gear Manager store today, and this one here is the baddest watch face out there so far as the analog watch face is concerned. Now, I reviewed this developer's watch face or watch faces before. This guy is one to be reckoned with. I'm telling you, I'm going to leave his name up top. Go check out his lineup. You'll see for yourself. This guy outdid himself. This is what I'm talking about, going over and beyond. All right, so we're going to check out this watch face. Ladies, I don't know if you're into a nice analog watch face, but if you are, sit back and relax. This watch face should have had its own space. This one should have been the watch face of the day. But we were trying to get you ready for the weekend, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this video. The name of the watch face is called Cold Prophet. All right, so let's check it out. Right now, in always on mode, it looks really nice, has an elegant look to it, gives you everything that you can need at a glance. But when the watch face is on, you get this basic, classic, kind of elegant look out of an analog watch face. You got a blue second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. This red dot that's on that hand right there, we're going to talk about that in a little bit. At the top, you get your month, your date, and your day, right? Nice classic look. All right, so I'm going to tap once. Now, when I tap, that red hand represents 24-hour time. Down at the bottom, you get 24-hour time in digital. So that's look number 2. This is watch face number 3. Now, this one here gives you information on your steps. And it is interactive, so you could tap on it and go right into it. I thought that was pretty cool. One more tap. This is your moon phase, but if I tap on it, it gives me the weather. Now, you got to tell me, this is awesome already, and we haven't even made it through. Here's the next one, right? So you get a 2-dial look, which is pretty classic. Has a nice sport look to it. And let me tap again. And there you go. That's blended with a different look as well. And then it's going to take it to the other side. Not bad, right? Not bad. So that's it. That's your 8 watch faces in one. I thought this was awesome. And it is interactive, so if I tap there, I can go ahead and set an alarm. This is nice. I like the look. I like what the developer did with this watch face. Even the hands got a slight glow to it. So, I don't know. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. For the price, I'm telling you, it is worth the download. Watch face number 2. Okay, it's not as bad as number 1, but I think it's still a decent watch face to play throughout the weekend, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called Pixeldot, and in always on mode, it's pretty much going to be blackened out. It's going to give you an analog look, and you're going to be able to see the time. Now, what's neat about this is that if you look at the hands are pixelated. So is the background. You can't see the background right now, but you will in a second. Now, I like the fact that I can see my date and it's legible. That's very important for when I need to know the date when I'm writing down or signing some important documents. And then over to your left, which you cannot see, you're going to get info on your heart rate, your steps, and you're going to get info on how much of your goal you have completed so far as your steps is concerned. So this watch face in this mode is a dress-up type of watch face. You can dress casual, you can throw a suit and tie on with this one. You can get away with that. And if you want to have fun, just single tap, cycle through all the many different colors that it have, depending on what type of weekend you're going to have. Is it casual? Is it business? Are you going out hitting the town? This will determine what you play. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this lineup. This developer definitely outdone himself. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment. And with that, that's going to be it. That's going to be all. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.